Hello everyone, this is Stepan and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I already finished my look today. Look at this glitter. Oh, oh la la. Wait, I need to turn this light off, otherwise it's gonna kill me. I was recording one short what I would post later. You see all this glitter? Oh, I'm so in love with that. So to do this look, it's pretty easy. You just apply the fixing spray on your chest and then blow glitter on top of that, and you will have this nice radiance. Ooh, I look like a lizard. So what did I use today for my look? I used a couple crayon sticks, what I did previously, for my chin, I didn't do eyebrows today, for the contour right here, and on top of that I put a foundation which was HD by Makeup Forever, and it was pretty nice. I combined it all together with the beauty blender, and after that I proceed with the dry textures. I use the powder. First of all, I use the powder Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is translucent, but it looks like it's white, so don't worry if you don't want to, for example, harsh contouring, but if you want, please switch to something else or don't apply it on all your face, because I applied it only in the light areas, like underneath on my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, and here beneath my contouring. For the contour I used crayon. For the dry texture as a contour or bronzer I used a palette of NYX contours, and also I put a bit of the, what did I use as a bronzer? I did use something. Did I? I think I did. I probably did not use our products as a bronzer. If I remember, I will tell you. For the next step, it was a blush. For blush today, I used Sigma in two different colors. It's a palette, like a highlighter palette, what I showed in the previous videos. This is just a blush. It's pink color. You will find it easily if you're gonna look for that. But otherwise, you can use any blush. I applied lighter shade here and darker right there. For the highlighter, I used Jeffree Star. He has a palette of the highlighters, like pro palette of highlighters. I got one which is not perfect, I would say. I don't know if you can see it, but right now this one crashed with delivery. I mean, it was looking fine like this one, but when I put it in the cabinet and took it back, this one was crushed. So I crushed it like all the way to the powder, and then I used the spray with alcohol in that, like 70%, and then I pressed pretty hard with something would remind you the shape of the palette, and also use a paper towel to dry a bit of this alcohol from the product and let it dry overnight, and then I close the palette and leave it like that. I didn't use it. No, I did not. I tried it to use during the day, it was fine. Let's start with lips, it's gonna be easier. For my lip contour I use a Light Girl, and for my lipstick I use XXL NYX Matte lipstick, and on top of that I apply a bit of concealer, and I also use a gloss, but I don't think it's stayed here, so I don't want to recommend it. This one, I don't know if you still can find it somewhere. It was a bottle, it's a Juicy. I did not apply it with the brush, but let me just tap it on top. You see, much juicy when it was before, but I mean it disappearing, you see. Oh la 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 la. I think it just apply a lot, and I don't want to apply a lot, and it's gonna look so juicy. You want me slow? Good, yeah. I mean, you see, it's a gloss, it's not gonna stay forever. So this is what I use for the gloss. What did I use for concealer? I didn't tell you. For concealer I used... Did I use something for concealer? I probably did. What did I use? Oh, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills in number 4, which is not so light for this foundation, so it was fine, but I will prefer something lighter. But I mean, the concealer itself good, but shade, I need to take something lighter from the store. Okay, for the eyes I use I also use Jeffree Star cremated palette. I don't remember what names I used. This is the palette what I got as well, and I use Gravedigger for the mid-tones, and for the dark I use Percy, and for like lighters, like right here, I used Casket Ready and Death Blow for the lightest part, and on top of that I put Diamond Ashes, this one right here. In the corners I put the highlighter from the Pro palette, what I mentioned before. It was the lightest white highlighter, but it has some green shimmer in it. And for these eyeliners I used NYX metallic eyeliner, what they have, and that's pretty much it. For eyebrows I used NYX brown ash, and for the mascara I used Vivienne's Hobo in black. I need to finish it pretty fast because it's the first mascara what I got restocking when I started the channel, and it's probably need to be replaced soon. Oh, I forgot. These stones I got on AliExpress. They're so nice because it's crystal, it's not plastic. So if you're looking for some stones, take glass, don't take plastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was pretty short and you stayed till the end of that. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you want to see in the next videos. And until then, this was Stepan. See you. Bye.